Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on your Sony WI-SP510 headphones. And to do this, first thing is to make sure that your headphones are powered off and not charging. So let's make sure of that by pressing on the power key and holding it. And right now my headphones are powered on. You can see it by a LED lamp as well. Let's power them off by holding the same button. Now the headphones are powered off and we can begin the reset. So hold the power key and volume down key or the minus button at the same time for around 10 seconds until the LED lamp right here flashes a few times. Right now the LED lamp just flashed, and that means the factory reset is successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.